Today I thought we'd go through the EBC DRC clutch kits that you can use in your RD350, RD250 LCs, YPVSs. The reason it's called a DRC kit is it's a dirt racer clutch, and that's because EBC market it for the Banshee. The Yamaha Banshee shares the same clutch basket, same clutch hub. Basically it's the same setup, so even though it's sold for the Banshee, it can actually be used in your RDs. So what is it? So first of all, we have your fibre plates. These are wider than the standard 350 plates that come as genuine. So if you're going to use this, you have to take out the rubber seals that come with the bikes. Not many people use the rubber seals now because they've either perished or people have thrown them away. So there's no disadvantage to using a wider plate. If you've got some tuning done, if you've got a bit more power, this will be better for it. You can put a bit more through it. You get your steels. Again, like standard, you can see they're not quite fully round. You stagger these as you put these in. And you get some springs. Now the springs, you can see it there, these are 15% heavier than the standard spring for people that are using, again, tuned up engines where the clutch needs to be a bit stronger. Not everyone needs these springs. Some people do, some people don't. You can either use 3 of these and 3 standard, so it won't be quite as heavy as putting them all in. It is totally up to you on that. I mean, we do quite a lot of these. We sell quite a lot of these kits. They seem to be a very good kit and cost effective as well. Power wise in your 350, you're probably, it's hard to put a figure on it because everything's slightly different, but you're probably looking up around 65-70 horsepower, depending on sort of the torque you're producing, where these are effective. Something a bit more torquier, like a big bore Athena kit, a big bore CPI kit on your RD or on your Banshee, this probably wouldn't be man enough. You'd need to go for the a heavy duty kit, which again is heavier springs, different steels, things like that. But for the majority of people, if you're just replacing your standard clutch and you've got a little bit more power, this is a really good kit to go for. So I hope that helps.